Hey everybody, Ryan Seacrest here. Ever wished you could turn your love for music into some extra cash? I know I have. Well, guess what? Now you can. We're diving into the exciting world of earning money online just by listening to music. That's right, you heard me correctly. No fancy equipment, no musical talent required. Just you, your favorite tunes, and the potential to pad your wallet. Whether you're a seasoned audiophile or a casual listener, there's an opportunity waiting for you. Intrigued? I thought so. We'll break down everything you need to know, from choosing the right platform to maximizing your earnings. Think of it like this. We're about to unlock the secrets to turning your passion for music into a side hustle. So, buckle up, music lovers. Get ready to crank up the volume and discover how to make your listening time work for you. Let's get started. Okay, so how exactly does this whole get paid to listen to music thing work? It's all thanks to the magic of the internet and these cool things called music streaming platforms. You know, the ones we use every day to jam out to our favorite artists. These platforms are always on the lookout for valuable feedback from listeners like you. They want to know what you're loving, what you're skipping, and what new tracks deserve a spot on everyone's playlists. That's where you come in. By signing up for these platforms and actively engaging with the music, you can earn rewards. These rewards can vary from cash payouts to gift cards and even discounts on concert tickets. Pretty sweet, right? The best part? You don't have to be a music critic or have a million followers to participate. Just be yourself, listen to the music you enjoy, and share your honest opinions. It's that simple. Now, with so many music streaming platforms out there, choosing the right one can feel like navigating a mosh pit. But don't worry, I've got your back. Let's break down some popular options to help you find the perfect fit. First up, we've got the heavy hitters like Spotify, Apple Music, and Amazon Music. These giants offer massive music libraries, personalized playlists, and, yes, even opportunities to earn rewards through listening and providing feedback. Then, there are platforms specifically designed for discovering new music and earning rewards, such as Slice the Pie and Playlist Push. These platforms often focus on independent artists and offer unique ways to earn by reviewing tracks and curating playlists. Don't forget about niche platforms tailored to specific genres like EDM or classical music. These can be goldmines for enthusiasts looking to discover hidden gems and connect with like-minded listeners. The key is to do your research, explore different platforms, and see which one aligns best with your musical taste and earning goals. Remember, you can always sign up for multiple platforms to maximize your earning potential. All right, you've chosen your platform. Now it's time to create your profile. Think of this as building your stage presence in the digital music world. It's your chance to show the world, or at least the platform's algorithm, what you're all about musically. Start by choosing a catchy username that reflects your personality or musical taste. Then, upload a profile picture that represents you. It could be a cool concert photo, a picture of your favorite artist, or even just a nice shot of you rocking out. Next, fill out your bio with a brief description of your musical preferences. Are you a die-hard rock fan, a pop music enthusiast? Let your freak flag fly. This helps the platform recommend music you'll actually enjoy. Finally, connect your social media accounts to find friends and expand your musical network. The more connected you are, the more opportunities you'll have to discover new music and potentially earn rewards. Remember, it's all about building a community. Here comes the fun part, actually listening to music. But hold on, this isn't just about passively hitting play on your favorite playlist. To maximize your earning potential, you need to actively engage with the music. Start by exploring the platform's recommendations based on your profile. Don't be afraid to venture outside your comfort zone and give new genres and artists a try. You never know, you might just discover your next musical obsession. Pay attention to the details. What do you like or dislike about the song's melody, lyrics, or overall vibe? Take note of these observations, as they'll come in handy when providing feedback. Don't be afraid to skip songs you're not feeling. Platforms often track your listening habits, so skipping tracks you dislike helps them refine their recommendations and ensures you're served up music you'll actually enjoy. Remember, the more you listen, the more data you provide to the platform, and the better their recommendations become. It's a win-win situation. Now, let's talk about the part you've all been waiting for: earning those sweet, sweet rewards. Each platform has its own unique system, but generally, it boils down to actively listening and providing feedback. Some platforms reward you for simply listening to a certain number of songs or hours of music per day or week. Others offer points or virtual currency that can be redeemed for cash, gift cards, or other goodies. Many platforms also offer opportunities to earn by providing more detailed feedback through surveys, reviews, or even participating in focus groups. This is where your observations from active listening come in handy. Don't forget about referral programs. Most platforms offer bonuses for inviting friends to join. So, spread the musical love and earn some extra cash while you're at it. Remember, consistency is key. The more you engage with the platform, the more opportunities you'll have to earn rewards. So, keep those tunes flowing and watch your earnings grow. Want to take your music listening hustle to the next level? Here are a few tips and tricks to amplify your earnings and make the most of your time. First, quality over quantity. While listening to more music generally leads to more rewards, don't just hit play and walk away. Actively engage with the music and provide thoughtful feedback to maximize your earning potential. Second, diversify your listening portfolio. Don't limit yourself to just one platform. Explore different options to discover new music and take advantage of various reward systems. Third, timing is everything. Some platforms offer higher payouts or bonuses during specific times of day or for certain genres. Pay attention to these promotions to maximize your earnings. Finally, be patient and persistent. Earning a significant income from listening to music takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Stay consistent, keep listening, and the rewards will follow. Beyond the allure of extra cash, earning money by listening to music offers a surprising array of benefits. Let's explore a few ways this unique side hustle can enrich your life. First and foremost, it's an enjoyable way to earn. What's better than getting paid to do something you love? Turn your passion for music into a rewarding experience. Second, it expands your musical horizons. By actively engaging with new artists and genres, you'll broaden your musical taste and discover hidden gems you might have otherwise missed. Third, it provides a sense of community. Connecting with fellow music lovers through platforms and sharing your discoveries fosters a sense of belonging and shared passion. Finally, it's a flexible and convenient side hustle. Listen to music anytime, anywhere, and earn rewards at your own pace. It's the perfect way to supplement your income without sacrificing your precious free time. Now, before we all quit our day jobs and embark on a life of listening to music for a living, Let's get real for a moment. While earning money by listening to music is a legitimate opportunity, it's important to manage expectations. The reality is, you won't get rich quick. The earnings from these platforms are generally modest, often supplementing your income rather than replacing a full-time job. The amount of effort required to see significant earnings can be substantial. You'll need to dedicate consistent time and effort to listening, providing feedback, and engaging with platforms. It's crucial to approach this opportunity with a realistic mindset. Don't expect to get rich overnight. Instead, view it as a fun and rewarding way to earn some extra cash while indulging in your love for music. Remember, the key is to enjoy the process. Focus on the joy of discovering new music, connecting with fellow enthusiasts, and earning a little something extra along the way. So, there you have it. We've explored the exciting world of earning money by listening to music, from choosing the right platform to maximizing your earning potential. Now, it's your turn to take the stage. Remember, the beauty of this opportunity lies in its simplicity and accessibility. Whether you're a seasoned audiophile or a casual listener, there's a platform out there waiting to reward you for your passion. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your headphones, crank up the volume, and start exploring the many ways you can turn your love for music into a rewarding experience. Happy listening.